Hey guys, so today I have my Ipsy bag for the month of July. Let's see what's in here. Here is the bag this month. It's like blue holographic material, which holo is never a bad thing. Okay, so the first product in here is this H2O Beauty Oasis Ultra Hydrating Cream. So, moisturizer. Safety seal, that's good. So it's like light blue. It's like a gel moisturizer. But it feels really nice. It smells clean. Okay, I will use that. I like moisturizers. Next thing in here is this Apto Healing Turmeric Mask for all skin types. It's supposed to get to the root of pimples and minimize inflammation and heal the skin. Okay, love face masks, definitely will use this. Next thing in here is a lip liner from Lord & Berry in the color Mandarin. Okay, so this is like bright orange. Bright orange. So I'm gonna put this on because that's what I do. Okay, so here's the lip liner on. It almost looks like a neon coral, but I mean, it is a really pretty color for summer as an alternative to like a red, I guess. I don't know. It's very bright, but it's pretty. Okay, next thing is this tapered blending brush from Elizabeth Mott. Okay, so this feels like synthetic hairs. And it feels like it'd be good blending. Yeah, it feels nice and soft, so I will definitely use this. And the last thing in here is this Ofra Cosmetics eyeshadow in Millennium Gold. Here's the color. It's like a nice pale gold. I'm just going to pop that on my lid, see how it looks. Swatch. That's pretty. And then use my Elizabeth Mott blending brush to blend that in a little bit. Okay, so here it is on the lids. It's just pretty pale gold color. I really like it. It's very sheeny, not like a chunky metallic. And I have a few other Ofra shadows that I really like, so this one is no exception. And overall, I feel like this month I've definitely got all items that I will use. I'll definitely use the eyeshadow again. The lip liner is very bright, but I think I'll still use it. The blending brush I'll definitely use. I love blending brushes. The mask, I love face masks, so I will definitely use this. And then the moisturizer I will definitely use also. So let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag this month, and I will see you in my next video.